Hello everyone, welcome to Cracking ServiceNow interview. So this is basically item series where I'm trying to cover as much as which are covered in that item like CMDB, discovery, mid server, event management, and these interview questions are prepared from the real interview of mine and my colleagues who are in ServiceNow. So you have to be technically thorough for these details so that you can answer all the question, and whatever questions you are preparing, be it in depth and go how you have done the configuration from very scratch, and give the answer in a technical manner. Try to give example of real-time scenario and try to give the scripting examples so that it will be more impactful, and definitely you have to be more precise with your answer and give real-time example. So one of the important part which is coming is in event management series, and I can say in item, that is pattern. So what exactly is pattern and how you have configured the thing, how pattern is used and how pattern is configured in discovery, and types of pattern. All these things are important factor while going for item. So we can say pattern is just like the word says, it is a series of operation that basically collects the data on a particular host and process and update the thing in CMDB. So we can say a series of sequence of operation whose purpose is to detect the attributes of any particular device or any application and their connections. So for these, the pattern is used. So there are two other things like probes, sensors, and patterns. So definitely we will ask what exactly probe and pattern is, what is the difference between them. So these two are totally different thing, we can say. Like pattern-based discovery relies on that relationship, while probe-based discovery uses the reference. So this is the major difference, you can say. And how the patterns are used in discovery in ServiceNow. So you can say that ServiceNow discovery patterns are a series or sequence of instruction which is provided by platform to identify and gather the required information. Particularly, these informations are about the CIs on this network or in any network. So, what exactly pattern do and what exactly how they work, what are the types of pattern, and what are the key components. You have to brief about all these things when you are asking about the pattern, and how you are going to create a pattern, or all these things that also you have to cover. So when we say about what they do, and I have already informed, like pattern identify and explore all the details which are available in CIs in the systems, be it inside the server or database or applications. So it identify and explore the CIs in a detailed manner. Along with that, the relationship is there, which is important. So that pattern establishes a relationship between the CIs, and it can create a view of all these IT environment. Using pattern, we can get those detail. And how they work, we can say there is identification, exploration, and classification phase. And what are the type of pattern? You can say these are application pattern, infrastructure pattern, cloud resource pattern. All these things are there. And how you have created a pattern, you have to be very sure about the path. Like in pattern designer is there, where inside the discovery you have to go for discovery pattern, then we have to create a new pattern, and then we have to go for test and publish the pattern. So all these things are covered in this pattern basically. And again, how you have done the customization of this pattern, and what are the key filter or key parameters which you need to provide, like pattern type, CI type, what is the operating system, what is the run order. All these things you need to provide while configuring any pattern. And another important part is entry point of the pattern. So these are important things which you need to provide while configuring a pattern. And what is exactly the listening port, what is the target port, and IP, all these detail must be entered so that the pattern can be configured. Okay, so these things are covered for this pattern, and definitely it's a definite interview questions for you. So keep subscribing, keep motivating. Thank you for your time.